Always mir. Always mir. Is it lunchtime? Is it lunchtime? Gonna throw in some goya beans. Use some of this. And some extra olive oil. Oh yeah, we're cooking now. Alright peeps, once the gravy is fully ready, turn off the stove or set it on simmer. Alright, and then you're ready to eat. But here's the controversy. Do you take your pasta and pour it directly into the gravy? That is a no-no. No self-respecting or self-respected Italian would ever do that. It's not done in the Italian home. You don't combine them together. What you do is, you take your pasta, you put it in a bowl, and then with a ladle or a spoon, you take your gravy and you pour it, you put it directly onto your pasta, which is in the bowl. That's how you do it. This thing about mixing it together is a no-no. No Italian does that. And then, once you're ready, you take your Parmesan cheese or whatever, you grate the cheese over your pasta that's already in your bowl. Right? That's how you do it. This is a no-no. Alright? So yeah, I hope you learned something about how to make spaghetti. And yeah, keep snacking. This is done.